with you.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, so this is what I got. Father's Day, got some crab legs, some sausage, some corn, some shrimp. I didn't do potatoes because I don't like to put the potatoes in there. I mean, I'll put them in there. You know, the peanut gallery likes them, but I don't want to fill my space with potatoes when I got this nice seafood and sausage going. You know, Mama Shaw, she's here to my right. She don't want to be on camera. What the hell? Well, there you go. You have a little glove there. But I'm going to get into this. Got my butter dipping sauce. Let me try one of these shrimp here. I know she's waiting on me to get in one of these crabs. She's like eyeballing me. I can feel it. My peripherals, I can feel it. But I want to taste some of the shrimp real quick. Get some of this crab knuckle here. Now, the difference. That's a good crab. Good crab. Now, the difference between my crab and Mama Straw's crab, Mama Straw likes Old Bay. Now, I do enjoy Old Bay from time to time. Now, even though they pretty much have the same ingredients, I'm more of a Zatarain's guy. Okay? So if you want to see how I put my seafood boils together with Zatarain's, hey, look at my videos on my channel. You know, look it up. Seafood boil. And you'll see what I'm working with. It's pretty extensive because I do like my flavors, especially if I'm using crawdads, the crayfish, the mud bugs, whatever you want to call it. But because I'm kind of on the injured reserve, I wanted to go light, and Mama Shaw got me some seafood for Father's Day, so we're doing this. And I couldn't be happier. Light work in the kitchen. Excellent. And because it's Father's Day weekend, over here at least, you know, the price on seafood went way up. Now, crab legs are whole for a good 6 months, right? In the freezer. Had I been thinking, I would have got them earlier. Well, I would have had her get them earlier. We got a little bit in there. And then we'd have been good to go when the time came. But you know, like I say, you know, life happens. So we didn't do that. And my scissors here, so I'm not playing. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, well, I won't say a while, or if you've been catching up on my videos, you know that I try not to bite my crab legs, because the last time I started biting crab legs like I would normally do as I was getting older, I lost a tooth. That's why I'm missing one of my fronts at the bottom. Snow crab leg got me. Try some of the corn. Oh, that butter's hot. Y'all want some corn? I didn't give you any crab leg. But I can give you some corn. Now, back to what I was saying about the seasoning. I'm a Zatarain's guy. Okay? But in a pinch, I will do Old Bay. If you look at the ingredients, they pretty much have the same thing. But as Mama Shaw was saying, the Zatarain's is a bit spicier. Now, I do add the Zatarain's shrimp and crab oil, the oil, as well as the powder, as well as the little seasoning packet. Now that makes for, especially with the oil, it makes for a spicier flavor. The flavor profile is spicier. Now, if I make it like that and give it to Mama Straw, her lips get all crazy and just jacked up and just like she has kind of like an allergic reaction to it. Too much spice. So even though I want to play with it and tweak it and see how much she can take, she won't let me play like that. I'm just curious. I just want to see. You guys want a piece of the shrimp? Let me give you a piece of shrimp. There you go. You can have that. Take that bite. See that drippage? Yep. Get some of the sausage. Love the smoked sausage in a seafood boil. Your stuff good to go? Yep. My corn is perfect. Well, I don't know if it's a Zatarain, but I know it's delicious. So what did you guys do for Father's Day today? Well, Sunday. Because you guys are actually going to be watching this most likely on the following Wednesday. You know, I'm doing that because I have a follow-up appointment for my eye. And I didn't want to have to worry about, you know, putting the video up for you. But you know the tragic part about all this? As I'm eating this, I ain't do a thumbnail. I didn't do it. So it's probably just gonna be a random clip, screenshot from this video that's gonna get you through it. But that's okay. It's Father's Day and I'm hungry. That's all that matters. That's good. I'm not sure how much I'm going to show you guys of me eating. But for now, I'm just going with it. You know, if you have parents that are still up and running, hey, make sure you appreciate them. Let them know. Now you have puffing over there. I was seeing with the microphone, the green light. So this, look at that juice. Oh. So this is going to be a pretty quick video, believe it or not. Gonna go through this. Oh, here it is. And that's how you make up for it. So here, pretty soon, like real soon, on my channel, I'm going to be having a lot of barbecue videos. Because I've been seeing people do videos and I'm seeing them jack up the barbecue. We can't let that happen, man. We can't let it, you know, male or female, whoever's on there slinging the meat. No, you can't be burning stuff up like that. Now these claws. Come on now. These claws, knuckles here, the claw drive me absolutely nuts. Because they don't want to act right. For me, they taste amazing. They just don't want to come out the shell. You know what I'm saying? Don't know what that's about. What you getting out today? Oh, there's another shrimp. Y'all want this shrimp here? I'm gonna take a little bite. Ain't good. Get another piece of sausage before I jump in on this. I don't know, I love just, the regular plain smoked sausage, right, with butter on it. I don't know, I just do. With a little lemon in the butter. Oh yeah. Really good. So I got other Father's Day things to get going. I'm going to eat the rest of this off camera. I'd like to thank y'all for sitting down with me. I hope your Father's Day was good. Your weekend was enjoyable. Mama Shaw, she's still eating, but she don't want to be on camera, or else I would spin around so you guys can watch her finish it off. You couldn't see that, but she just eyeballed me on the side. My peripherals, even though my eyes messed up, I caught that. I felt the heat. The heat from that vision. But she don't want to be on camera, so enjoy your weekend. Well, the weekend's over now, but I hope you enjoyed your Father's Day weekend. Hey, enjoy your week. I know it's hump day. Hey, you can take that however you want to take it. Enjoy it or not enjoy it. That being said, Shrashira, the blue can, we are out. Thanks for watching.